Hi, I'm Glenn Hickman from Hickman's Family Farms in Buckeye, Arizona. We sell eggs. We've been a family-owned and operated farm since 1944. The business began when our grandparents, Guy and Nell, started selling eggs laid by hens in their own backyard. And our parents, Bill and Gertie, expanded the business with 500 hens. Our dad would work on the farm in the morning and deliver eggs in the afternoon. In the early days, one little refrigerated panel truck was big enough to deliver the fresh eggs to small grocers and restaurants in the area. Today, that one truck farm has grown into a multi-site operation based in Buckeye, Arizona.
Our hens produce eggs here in Buckeye. What happens is the chicken, who's safely in her barn, lays the egg. After the egg leaves the hen, it rides on a series of conveyor belts up to our processing machine. Then goes through a series of 2 washing machines. It then comes up, gets dried. The automatic check detection system sends sonic signals through the egg to listen and make sure that it's perfect quality inside. Next, it rolls past a series of cameras. The cameras look both at the inside of the egg as well as the outside to look for any abnormalities. It goes then to the weighing system, and in 1/100th of a second, the computer determines if it's a jumbo, extra large, large, medium, or small, and sends it to a egg packer. It drops into the egg packer, of which all large or all jumbos come in, gravitates down, and makes its way into the carton.
I'm not sure that we do anything that's a lot different than any other one egg company. We just do them all. We do everything from growing baby chicks to processing our own eggs to further process both liquid and cooked products. We do organic eggs, cage-free eggs, standard eggs, and we distribute all of our own eggs from Colorado all the way through Hawaii. I just think that we're a family engaged in feeding other families. We've been doing it now for 73 years. And we hope to be doing it for a lot longer. We have the next generation already involved, and they're working their way up our company ladder.